Please pick the red color accessories. Red color. Where is red color? Good. Next, pink. Pick the pink color. Good. And next, where is yellow color accessory? Yellow color. Yellow color ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪಿ. Yellow color ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ? Touch. Where is yellow? Yellow. Good. Pick the orange color accessories. Show me. Good. Pick the pink color card seat. Pink color. Where is pink color? Search. Like ನೋಡಪ್ಪಿ pink color. Where is pink color? Good. This is which color? This is which color? ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇದು ಹೇಳು. Say loudly. Stand properly. This is which color? Say loudly. Say loudly. Next, this is which color? Our school bus is which color? School van ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀನು? ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಐತೆ? Say loudly. Good. Next, this is which color? This is which color? Good. Here. Nice. Where is the purple color? Purple. Search purple color. Touch the purple color. No. Purple. Good. Next, where is the black color? Touch the black color. Where is the black color? Good. Next, where is the white color? White. Good. Next, where is green piece? Batani ite nodu, green. Search. Search. Good. Hi Ritvik. Please pick the red color and match to their chair. Red chair. Where is red color? Match to their red chair. Good. This is which color? White. Good. Next, this is which color? Which color? Say loudly. Good. Next, where is pink color accessory? Pink. Sir. Good.